Hi guys, new project here. I have one of these X-Cargo 20 Sport, I guess covers for the my van, and this broke on it. It's a common thing. What happened? There's a spring in here. What happens is this plastic will break for whatever reason, and so these are like, I don't know, $10 or something like that on eTrailer.com. So there's a little shout out to them. And so one of the hard things to do when you're changing this out is to get this off of here. And I've seen a couple videos of people banging away at this with a hammer, trying to pop them off, maybe with a crowbar, and they're just struggling with it. So what I did was I got my Dremel. If you got a Dremel, probably have a tool like this. It cuts metal, cuts anything really. So what happened was, it's on here like this, and I came in and I cut a line. Just cut a line in this like that. I just cut a line until I got to the metal. I didn't want to touch the metal, so I got as close as I could. And once you do that, that plastic piece gets real I guess weak at that point. And so at that point you can just take it and just pop it off. It'll break, but it doesn't matter, you're replacing it anyway. So I just wanted to show you that. In a little bit, I'll show you how I clamp this back on and pop it back on. All right, thanks. Got it, done. Okay. This is on like that. See? Okay. Now I gotta put on this like that. Let's see how I'm doing that. I'll see. Had nothing to do with my methods here, is my stupidity. That was it? God, that was easy. That one went easy. Done. Job done. Good. All set. Thank you for. All right. So watch. That works like we wanted to. It goes down, and all it is just a spring assist. So then when you open this up, it stays up. You throw your luggage in there, whatever. Now I can put this up for next time we gotta use it. Watching my little channel. Like and subscribe. All the buttons and stuff.